Skyscraper. Airport.
What is this, Irene?
Bridge.
What is this, Nico?
Tunnel.
Tunnel.
What is this, Sofia? Iceland.
Iceland.
What is this, Julen? Volcano.
Volcano.
What is this, Ainhoa? Coral reef.
Coral reef.
What is this, Iker?
Tower.
Tower.
What is this, Adrian? Visitor center.
Visitor center.
What is this, Nuria?
Lake.
What is this, Adriana?
Valley.
Valley.
What is this, Julia? Mountain.
Mountain.
What is this, Gerardo?
Cycle park.
Cycle park.
What is this, Alex?
Camping.
What is this, Adriana? Try again. What is this, Isabel?
Forestry.
Forestry.
And what is this, Julia? Picnic area.
Picnic area.
Good job, very good.